Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited COD points in Call of Duty. So let me just show you guys how this works. So I'm just going to open it up and you guys will see the magic. So yeah, this is super weird guys, but it actually works. So let me just open it up so you guys can see how ridiculous this is. So as you can see, I'm pretty low on COD points and credits, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited COD points. Whoops, almost dropped the phone. So let's see if this goes up. All right, so I maxed it out. So now the COD points should start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to download this modded version of COD Mobile so you can get unlimited COD points in 2026. So let's see if it increases at all. And then, oh my gosh, it works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this so you can get unlimited COD points in 2026. This is super bizarre, guys, but it actually works. So we have got to take to the streets and fight back. Let's get down and dirty. Go to the website tweakmod.com, and on this website you're going to see a number of modded apps. So just type in Call of Duty, press install, and this will start installing the mod you just saw me use. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so I'm just going to give it a second. You can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So let's just see if this loads here. As you can see, all right, so it's loading up right now. So then it's going to bring us to that verification page where we just have to download 2 of those apps, follow the instructions, and we're going to be good to go. So as you can see, it says missing files. So I just need to download like 2 of these. Doesn't matter which one, but you can see like Travel Town says reach level 9. So it just takes me to the App Store. I just got to play it until I'm level 9. So this is like a game. So obviously, guys, if you have a game like this, just go ahead and do those because they're really easy. But sometimes you won't have any games and you'll have to do like an app. So for instance, Mode Casino, this one says install the app and open it. So that's actually easier. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. So you know what, guys? I'm going to go to the App Store and type in COD Mobile just to show you guys how expensive it is. So let me just put it in right here. So as you can see, guys, here's the game, which you do not need installed to do this. But as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Make sure you go to settings and you got background app refresh on. And also you need low power mode turned off. But other than that, guys, you should be all set. So if you want to get unlimited, oh my gosh, bro. If you want to get unlimited COD points, that's the method, guys, for 2026. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because I've been looking for a method for years and I have very frequently found nothing. But now all I have to do is download 2 of these apps and I literally get the mods. So it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get unlimited COD points 2026, guys. This is actually working, guys. No jailbreak, bro. This is so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see another video about free COD points if this one stops working, because I will do a follow-up. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another one. But yeah, I mean, I've tried everything, bro. This is the only way to get free COD points. So it's super cool. So yeah, guys, get the word out. This actually works, you know. So just trying to help out the community here. That's all I really am, a community helper. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, my squadron, and peace out.